Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share Walmart Plus with family. First, open the Walmart app or visit the Walmart Plus website and sign in to your account. Now, navigate to the Walmart Plus section to check if there is an option to add family members. If Walmart allows sharing, enter their email address and send an invitation. After that, they will receive an email to accept the invite and join your plan. If Walmart Plus doesn't offer direct sharing, you can still let your family members use your login credentials to access benefits like free shipping, fuel discounts, and scan-and-go shopping. Just be mindful that sharing your account details may have limitations, such as only one person using the benefits at a time. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.